blackcurrants, their health benefits for the eyes, urinary tract, and more. For those trying to become healthier, there are a lot of options available. Among them is blackcurrant, which is a popular berry in the summer. They are actually deep purple in color and they have a sour taste, which is why many people choose to add honey, stevia, or any sweetener when eating the fruit. Blackcurrants are made into drinks, but they are also popular as sauce for lamb, fish, and turkey servings. New research shows that blackcurrants can help improve health due to the following benefits. 1. High vitamin C content. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can protect the nerve cells, while taking advantage of the body's defense system. Blackcurrants are high in vitamin C and studies have shown that this vitamin can help prevent various diseases including dementia, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. 2. Good for the eyes. Blackcurrants discovered that antioxidants can help maintain vision and eye health. Dietary antioxidants are especially helpful in preventing cataracts, a common degenerative disorder that affects the eye. Antioxidants, such as vitamin C, can reduce cataract risk. 3. Useful for urinary tract health. You probably already know about drinking cranberry juice or consuming the fruit itself to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. But here's another fruit juice that you should indulge on. Blackcurrant juice can help stop UTIs as well by flushing out the toxins in the body that can cause the problem. 4. Improves brain function. Another use of the antioxidants in blackcurrants can protect the brain cells to prevent neurological decline. 5. Good for the heart. Eating blackcurrants can improve heart health due to the fruit's richness in flavonoids. Studies have proven that flavonoids can help prevent heart disease and can boost the health of the blood vessels. Blackcurrants are actually deep purple in color and they have a sour taste, pick help. 6. Good for diabetics. Patients with diabetes are told to watch out their intake of food with high glycemic index, GI. Blackcurrants have low GI unlike other fruits, which means that blackcurrants are slowly taken into the bloodstream. This is especially helpful to prevent sugar cravings, mood swings, and sugar crashes. 7. Fights infections. Because of the vitamin C in blackcurrants, eating just a cup a day can keep infections at bay. This can even help reduce infectious agents, including free radicals that can cause cancer. Blackcurrants are fruits you can eat when you're having a hard time sleeping at night. They are loaded with magnesium, the mineral you need to improve the quality, tranquility, and duration of your sleep.